Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we discuss about what are variables and comments in C++. Before moving to the video, if you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel and also save the playlist for your future reference. In the previous video, we discussed about the basic structure of C++ program, and in this video, we discuss about what are variables and comments in C++. So let's start the video. First of all, we discuss about what are variable. Variable is a container which is used to hold data. Variable are of different types, but primarily we have these variables in C++. Now discuss about the types of variable. First of all, int, which is called integers. It is used to store numbers, example -1, 0, 1, etc. In the second number, char. Char is called characters. It is used to store characters, for example A, B, C, D, etc. In the third number, float. Float is used to store decimal numbers, example 1.24 and other numbers. In the fourth number, double. Double is used to store long decimal number, example 1.215480 and other numbers. In the fifth number, boolean. Boolean is used for true or false and yes or no. Basically, boolean is used when you have to check the condition is true or false, then boolean is used. In the previous video, we also discussed about the declaration and initialization of variable, but we also discussed it in this video. What are declaration? Declaration means you declare the name of that variable. For example, you want to declare the name of integer value, so you have to type int and the name of variable, like int a is called declaration, and initialization means you initialize the value of that variable. For example, int a is equals to 10. 10 is the value of that variable, so 10 is called initialization of the variable. Let's do some example to master what are variables in C++. So create a folder and right click on it and click on open with code. It will redirect you to Visual Studio Code. If you have not watched how to set up Visual Studio Code, then watch this video. Number 1, getting started C++, installing VS Code and G++, so you can easily set up the Visual Studio Code. Create a new file here, tut3.c++. Now type header file, include iostream and using namespace std. In the previous video, I also say that I will discuss using namespace std in the next video. So the use of using namespace std is to use cout, cin, handle, etc. So using namespace is used for this purpose. Now type int main, which is our main function, and curly braces and type return 0, and here type the variable. Firstly, I will type the example of integers. Type int and declare the name. I will name it a and put semicolon here. This is called declaration, and value of a is equals to 10 and semicolon. This is called initialization. Now print the value of a. Cout is used to print something in the terminal. The value of a is a and semicolon, and after this run the code. You can see that the value of a is 10 is printed in the terminal, and the shortcut key which is used to run the code is Control Alt N. Control Alt N is used to run the program. You can see that the value of a is 10 is printed in the terminal. Now this is the example of integer, and similarly I will also show the example of character, which is char, and declare the name of character, which is name, and put semicolon. After that, initialize the value of name. Name is equals to b and put semicolon. After that, print the character. Cout the value of name is name. After that, run the program, Control Alt N, and you can see that between them there is no space in this. And also you want to break the line, you can use ENDL here. After that, run the program, you can see that the line is breaked. The value of a is 10, the value of name is a. In the previous video I also discussed about this. Okay, now do the example of float. Type float and initialize the name of float. I will denote it f and put semicolon, and the value of a is 1.4 semicolon, and print the value of float. The value of f is f and semicolon. Save the file and also type ENDL after name, so it will break your line, and run the program. You can see that the value of a is 10, the value of name is a, the value of f is 1.45. Similarly, the work of double is like float. Type double and declare the name of double is d. Put semicolon. You can name anything which you want to declare. Okay, so now the value of d is 1.24578,745, and print the value of double. The value of d is d semicolon, and type ENDL here and run the program. You can see that the value of d is 1.24579. Why the value of d is 1.24579? Because the value after 4 decimal is greater than 5, so it will automatically use 9, because 8 is less than 9, so 9 is printed here. So this is the work of double. The last variable, which is boolean. Now declare the boolean. Boolean is declared by bool, bool, and declare the name of bool. So I will declare it b and put semicolon. After that, value of b is equals to 0. If you put bool b is equals to 0, then the result is false, and if you put b is equals to 1, the result is true. Okay, you can see that the value of b is 0. Okay, 0 means false. If you put here false, then you can see that the value of b is 0. False is equals to 0, and after I will type true. Wait, I will type enter here. Now you can see that the value of b is 1. So basically 0 is false and 1 is true. Now discuss about what are comments in C++. Any text between the comments is ignored by the compiler. Basically, comments is used to ignore the text by compiler. Okay, I am using single line comment. So there are two types of comments. First, single line comment, which I am using, and second is multi-line comments. So this is single line comments, and you put forward slash and star, and where you want to end the comment, then you put star and forward slash. The three lines are commented, so it will ignored by the compiler. I will show you. After commenting the line, run the program, and you can see that the value of d is 1.24579 is printed, and boolean is ignored by the compiler. So the use of comments is to ignore the text by the compiler. So in this video we discuss about what are variables and comments in C++. I will give the entire code in the description box, and also I will give the link of this PDF so you can access it. If you have not saved this playlist, save the playlist for your future reference, and also subscribe the channel. In this video we discuss about variables in C++. In the upcoming video we discuss about variable scope and data types. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I will see you next time.